to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there.
Hello, good morning, and welcome to Darling Workshop. This is what I have in mind for the house for birds. Okay, flower all over, and then I'm gonna put little flowers around. And this is for the water or seed, or in the back, maybe water or seed, whatever come first. But I gotta make sure this is very tight and strong hold before I glue it together. Okay, I'll see you a little bit. Bye bye for now. Thank you for watching. Hello, good morning. Me again. Time check is 9:08, Saturday, March 1st. Okay, welcome, new month. And time check is 9:08 a.m. So how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Okay, I'm going to make a flowers, a little petal. Okay, like that. I mean like this or like that, whatever come first to understand. So I'm going to show you how to make this one here. And this is 4.5 inches long. So I just fold it in the middle. Okay. I know sometimes, even though you put in the middle, when you squeeze it, it's uneven. So just do something about it, and you hook it like this. So just like a link. And you just twist it one time. This other side go this way, and other side go that way. They become like this. Okay, so just go tie that up a little bit. Make sure it's not bumpy. Or, well, it's gotta be bumpy, but not sharp to touch. Okay, and then you gather together and squeeze in the end. And just grab the longest wire. Okay, I mean the channel, call it channel or pipe cleaner, and check it like that, and just trim it all around. Okay, and just fix it up and adjust. There you have it. You got one petal right here. That's again. It depends how many petals you can put to become a flower, but I always have five petals. Okay. Now, you know me. I don't like because camouflage. I like to see the difference. Okay. So I'm gonna put red in the middle. Okay. It's very attractive to see. You can see right away what's the difference. Camouflage, you cannot see much because they're the same color. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just make this is 4 inches long. You're gonna round it like a spiral because you are going to put that in the middle, okay? But that's that side, and you're just going to push a little bit on the back, okay, like that. Make it flat. Okay, the one you just fold, just start gluing on the back of the petal, and you start put it like this, glue it like this. It's gonna be look like this, and like that. Same thing here. Closer. And I need more glue. Okay, we got two, look like a bunny. Okay, so let's go. Okay, I'm back. There we go. We got petals. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to attach it for over here in the middle. Okay, like that. The birds can still get in there. So I get to put that in the middle. Okay. Put the glue. And put in the middle. Like that. Press a little bit. It will look like this. Okay. And to make it sure that it will dry firmly, so I have a jumbo here to press that, to help to press that. And leave it a few minutes. Well, I'm leaving that. I'm gonna make a little flower around on top. Okay? See you a little bit. Bye-bye for now. Hello, good morning. I'm back. This is I made so far. Okay, flower, and they have little thing there to lay eggs or something. Okay, and I put flowers around too, like that. Okay, And I just have to finish this one right here. More leaves and flower, little flower. Okay, so I have to anyway, I'll start it again. I finished this far. Okay, and I'm going to already put a flower. All right, so this one here, I have to put the flower and the leaf. Okay, you know how to make the flower, right? This is 4 inches long, and I have to bend that in the middle, the purpose in the middle, because I have to fold that again in the middle, and you squeeze it. Same thing in the other side. Squeeze that and flatten it. And you open it a little bit. Squeeze on the tip of that to shape it up like a flower's petals. I mean to say petals. And this is what it look like. Okay, this one right here. Okay, I mean this finger right here, right there. Okay, and now the leaf right here, I have to show it to you. You have to get that and cut in the middle again. Okay, see, this is really, they don't cooperate. When you cut like that, this one is sticking. So you just hold it like that, straighten up and pull. Hold it, straighten up and pull. And then you have to do it like this, okay? Two of them, you have to pull that too, because you are going to insert this like that to make a leaf. There's a lot of way to make a leaf, okay? Whatever you're comfortable. So you don't twist many times, just twist one, and then you bend it like that, and try to put in the middle, and flatten this, and do you hold it gathering together, okay? Just make sure everything is in control. The short one right here, but you have to, the shorted one, you have to squeeze that together and get the longest wire, pipe cleaner, and then you just roll it like that and squeeze it. And then you cut that, okay, the extra, you cut that and straighten up and shape it like a leaf, okay? And then it's going to look like this, okay? Because I'm ready to put in here, and the flower, little flower, okay? And then the other leaf, okay? I see you in a little bit. Bye-bye for now. Okay, I'm back. I'm just going to squeeze another leaf over here. Okay. There you go. And I have to put this I thought I got it all. LOL. I put it right here so that it will squeeze together. See? Okay. And then I put the flower in the middle, or 2 flowers in the middle. It doesn't matter how you put it. If it's not even, the bird's not gonna complain like, what's wrong over here? Okay, so I'm just gonna put the flower, the petals in this one here, like that, and I squeeze that to hold. Okay, and I'm gonna put another petal. See, I'm gonna put another petal. I need a bigger table. Do you like this? I'm gonna put another petal in there, just like I did. Okay, and then I have to put this to hold this in place, like that. All right, this is a really big challenge for me. Okay, and then I check all over, and this one here is that's good. I just see, that's what it looked like, the leaf and the little flowers. Okay, and this is going to be look like. There you go. And I'll see you in the next step. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.